Yung focus natin sa pera, pwede nating maging setback yan, eh. You know what? Ito yung explanation ko diyan, ano. Kung marami kang pera, usually nakatingin ka na lang sa kaya ng pera mo na gawin para sa'yo. Parang ang tingin mo ba yung pera will make you happy? Money will make everything possible for you? Totoo yun, pero pwede kang maligaw dahil sa yung pera na nagigit sa'yo. Pero tingnan mo yung taong walang masyadong pera at nag-umpisa siya na mag-aral at gumawa ng something that he can do based on the limited resources that he has, mas mabilis ang kanyang paglago. Bakit? Lumalago yung kanyang character at kanyang skill, eh. So, hindi naman pera ang kinakailangan para lumago. In fact, yung kakulangan nga ang pera nagiging nagiging reason for the person. It is the only advantage that you have. Because if you don't have look at yourself, what you have as the great advantage, because you will have God with you when you start moving with what you have, trusting God that He will bring you to where He has planned to bring you.